I'm a dreamer. For me, photography is not only what I love and what I do, it's also how I see the world. It's a reflection of my deep emotions and passion for beauty. What I want to show is not just a beautiful image, but also to convey an idea, to capture the atmosphere and play with associations. Installations, costumes, and Photoshop manipulation help me embody my dreams into a finished piece of art. If you listen carefully, my silent pictures will tell you a story. I'm Anya Anti. I'm a foreign conceptual photographer based in Brooklyn, New York. I'm originally from Ukraine, and I moved to the United States 4 years ago with only a suitcase, a camera, and a dream to become a professional artist. I'm a wanderer and love adventures. I'm fascinated and inspired by the beauty of the world around me. That's why I love to travel, explore, and capture different corners of our planet. A few years ago, I visited Iceland for the first time and was completely amazed and captivated by its beauty. I've traveled many places before, but none of them can be compared to what I felt and saw in Iceland. Words can't describe how unique and beautiful this place is. Visiting Iceland had a great impact on me and made me realize that its fragile beauty may disappear. The thought that those natural wonders are being affected and destroyed by the changing climate is very upsetting to me. That's why I'm making this project. Ecology problems that are threatening our environment and affecting everyone on the planet don't get enough media attention. Global temperature is rising and glaciers all over the world are melting. They might be gone in 200 years. We need to understand that nature should be cherished and celebrated. I want to create a series of photographs to spread climate change awareness, and I think Iceland would be a perfect location because it has some of the most unique and diverse landscapes on the planet. While traveling through the country, I'm going to photograph different concepts that represent climate change issues, featuring a model and costume design. I want to capture and preserve Iceland's incredible wonders through my art while I still can. Being a foreign photographer is a struggle of balancing between doing what you love and what you believe in and still making a living. I believe this project can make a difference, and I believe artists have the power to make the world a better place. But it requires a lot of effort to put everything together, to create props, costumes, and to collaborate with other creatives. Projects like this one are usually personal and non-commercial, so this means I have to fund them myself. That's why I'm asking for your help. By backing my campaign, you are not only helping me bring this project to life. There are so many rewards for every donation. You'll have an opportunity to receive a set of my signature Lightroom presets, limited edition signed prints from the project, and my video tutorial, where I go through the process of creating a photograph from the series, from an idea and development to shooting and post-production. This tutorial will also include behind the scenes from our trip. You'll be the first ones to have the access to these materials, and there will be some Kickstarter exclusives. I hope with your support, I'll be able to make this project happen. Every donation counts. Thank you so much.